So at the gym now, this is day one of who knows how many days. I've always wanted to be able to do bench press 100 kilograms or 220 pounds for reps. Now my goal is to be able to do it for 3 reps. That's the goal. That's it. So today is day one of bench press every day except maybe one day. Now bear in mind, some days I might not be able to make it to the gym, then I'll do push-ups at home and you guys will still see that. So today is day one. How many days will it take? Currently I can bench press probably like 80, maybe 85 3 times. So who knows how long it's going to take. Anyway, let's get to the gym. Starting off, you first just have to warm up your muscles. So I did the bar, which is 20 kilograms. It's like 44 pounds. Just getting warm, you have to warm up your muscles first. Next, move up to 50 kilograms, which is a little bit more of a significant weight. Not much yet, it's 110 pounds. So here is where the work starts. Now you start feeling the weight, but this is not yet heavy. Next, move on to 60 kilograms, which is 132 pounds. This is a weight where I feel comfortable doing my working sets at like 10 to 12, maybe 15 reps. Last set for the day, 70 kilograms, 154 pounds. This is now more the weight that I feel comfortable doing around 6 to 10 with. So this is a proper working weight for me. I think I did maybe 6 or 8 here. Day one of this journey done. Thanks for watching, everybody.